Well, here it is a few days later, and I'm sure you wanted to see this. Look how nice this looks now. Mark did a very good job. Excellent job, Mr. Markey. He's got all of this painted. See how nice this came out? He has some shelves here and stuff, and you can do this too. Just follow the different steps that I show on my channel and go where all the sheetrock videos are, and look on VideoJoeKnows.com even, and all my YouTube videos are there as well. Nice. This is nice and smooth. I like it. And later on, if he wants, he can put a tile backsplash on there. He thought he would just start off with this and see how this goes for a while. And worst case scenario, if that gets all marked up, or if stuff starts splattering up there and somebody cleans it off and starts goobering up the paint, you know, you can put some new paint on there, or put some tile, a backsplash on there, or even run it all the way up to the bottom of the cabinets. Well, there you go. One more job. We can mark that off our list.